It's been fantastic. I think everything has been organized really well. The welcome that we received has been warm and truly exceptional. So India and France's ICT partnership actually was strengthened by a roadmap that was endorsed at the highest level in 2019 when Prime Minister Modi visited France. So we have a roadmap on cybersecurity and digital technology, and it focuses on several key initiatives, in particular high-performance computing, supercomputing, quantum computing, obviously economic cooperation for our enterprises. There are a lot of French companies. All the big French companies are present in India. They have a lot of employees, and so that cooperation was strengthened because of this roadmap. And underneath this roadmap, we also launched a pilot project called the Indo-French Tech Innovation Program. So it's a bilateral exchange program for innovation meant to bring the innovation ecosystems closer together. And it's underneath this program that the minister from India visited Viva Tech, and we also had Indian startups participating at Viva Tech. So it was India was the country of the year. So it was the first time that they did something, and India was the country. So I think it was quite from the French side. I think it was something that they really wanted to showcase the good relationship that we enjoy. We're also in the process of renewing an MOU that we have with the Ministry of Electronics and IT, underneath which we are going to be talking on a lot of interesting topics. So yes, the partnership is extremely rich. I actually work in Delhi, so it's not my first visit to India. I think it's not. No, I've come to Lucknow as well before. Exceptional, and I don't think I have the right words to describe how